So it's early in the morning, I'm off on another adventure here in Singapore, a special one today. And if you watch my videos regularly, you may remember Wai Jun, my wife's cousin, joined me in a couple of videos last year when I was in Singapore. Well, Wai Jun works at the Singapore Zoo, where he's an estate manager. And they've just finished moving everything from the Jurong Bird Park up to the new Bird Paradise at the same site as the rest of the zoo. It opens on the 8th of May, and today is the 22nd of April, and I've got a ticket to an exclusive preview event.
Okay, so the doors have just opened for this special preview. We're just coming through the barriers, along with loads of other people. And let's go and see what we can see. And the first one I've come across is this one called Australian Outback. So let's go and see. Oh, automatic doors. So let's go and see what birds we can find in the Australian Outback in the heart of Singapore. And there's the very first bird. Oh, it's flown off. Oh, all these, don't know what they are, lorries, parakeets, some kind. Look at that one. Now, it's going to be relatively easy to get shots of these birds, but not necessarily natural looking. Although, I don't know whether you can see up there something swan-like. Let's see if we can get a shot of that one. Well, they're making plenty of noise, that's for sure. Oh, there's a nice red one up there. Whoa! Yes, okay. You're a friendly type. Okay, so that was the Australian Outback. And there's a shuttle bus. Not sure where it's going, but we're going to take it and see what we get when we get there. This is the Songs of the Forest. Certainly plenty of songs going on at the moment. Let's go and see what we can find. Spotted something. Spotted a few things. Wow. This is better than the Australian Outback, I think. The birds seem to be more natural here. Although quite a few of them are actually up on the netting. These walk-in aviaries are absolutely amazing though. The birds are flying free, people walking amongst them. See what happens when we get to the birds of prey. Well, that was Songs of the Forest, and now we're in Amazonian Jewels. Let's go and see what South American birds we can see, and I've already spotted one. Now, the thing about this is, there's so many artificial bits that trying to get natural photographs is actually quite difficult. There's all these metal walkways. It's great, you can walk around amongst these birds, but trying to get photographs that look a little more natural, trying to catch them when they're in the tree with no metal work in the way, but we'll do the best we can. So now we've reached Crimson Wetlands, and just when you walk into this section of the park you're greeted by a whole bunch of pink flamingos. Well, this section's certainly seen the most action and definitely the most colour so far as well. Between flamingos and all these amazing parrots. The green ones, the blue ones, the red ones. And the most incredible waterfall. Well, there's certainly plenty to see here. Up there, what looks like a load of plants, a load of flowers on a tree, is actually hundreds and hundreds of scarlet ibises. So we've come to Wings of Asia, which seems to be the most popular amongst all of these. Or maybe it's just that little bit later, more people have come in now. And it's one of the first ones you come to. And it is absolutely packed. Loads and loads of people here. And amazingly, some just incredible birds. There's some pelicans being fed at the moment. And I just saw an Asian black-necked stork, which looks incredible. Anyway, let's carry on round. So we're right up at the top of the canopy now. Up there, loads of these white birds up in that tree.
Semua berdiri kat klinik ni.
I should go back to the hornbills. Well, why don't you try that? So like always in Singapore, it is so hot and humid. I've decided to come and stop in a nice air-conditioned cafe and have a local coffee, coffee-o. It's one thing they do really well in these places is there's plenty of places to top up your water bottles, get in a bit of shade, maybe even aircon like here. So I think I've seen most of it now. There's this Heart of Africa I still haven't been to yet. I'm going to go there and see what we can see next. But so far, I think the Wings of Asia was my favourite one. So we're at the largest of the 8 aviaries here now, the Heart of Africa. We've got these giant African trees behind me. Let's go and see what birds we can find in this one. Well, one of the best things about this is the way each of these aviaries are completely interconnected. I've just walked through the heart of Africa, straight back into Wings of Asia where it was before. I came around the top walkway, and this time that's connected me into mysterious Papua, rainforests of Papua New Guinea. We're heading off there. Let's go and see what there is. So one of the things they've got here that's great for the kids is these tame ones. Oh, look at the grey one up there. Let's get a shot of that. So that's the new bird gardens here, Singapore Bird Paradise. What a fantastic morning. So privileged to have been able to come along to one of their preview days. Absolutely fantastic. It's the benefits of having a relative who works here, I suppose. What a fantastic place. I'd been to Jurong Bird Park previously, and this is, well, at least twice the size. So many things here. Not everything is completely open yet, but I can definitely recommend, if you come to Singapore, definitely come to the Bird Paradise.